Hi, this is Mohammed and Mazia. Today I want to get your thoughts on my justification for the design element for my infographic. I will be going thoughts on my design choice and telling you why I made the choice I made. First, I want to discuss the monochromatic color scheme. I chose an overall theme of a green because green is universal symbolic for natural or environmental topics. Some of the pictures are used to symbolize that the different types of renewable resources are different colors. However, they don't contrast so much that it becomes a problem. I use horizontal alignment in this infographic by lining up information between the two lines on the right and left side of the information. Each bit of information has its own shade of a green box within the infographic, and this is to show the separation of information, but also to show that each piece of information horizontal aligned within the color box. I used hierarchy to bring out the information that I wanted viewers to be drawn to first. You can see here that renewable energy, that title, is the biggest. There are also a few other words that stand out in order to draw attendance, including the percentage of U.S. energy scores. Period is 28%, and did you know? Going back up a little bit, you can see I used some photographics to show how many billions of people will be on the earth within next 24 years. The pictographs are people because they symbolize population and they have a color proximity to information about population increase and how it will decrease, follow and the number and percentage of population change are used. A couple different types of fonts in my infographic. I use sans-serif font on some the large text, and I use serif font on some of the other text. I try to make the different styles of font complement each other within the different boxes, so that information would stand out and not all run together because of the same font all the way together. Thought the infographic. I use a couple different types of fonts in my infographic. I have just gone through my design justification, and I will like some feedback from the group. So if you would make some notes on my presentation and get back to me as soon as possible. Thank you very much.